Doing keto alone is kind of like eating a bucket of wings all alone. You can, but you shouldn't. The biggest obstacle to keto is peer pressure and social eating. That's why you need a team. TeamKeto, a support program with everything you need to nail keto. And in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to use this huge scale to show you how Amy went from this to this. Click on the link below to learn more about TeamKeto. Doing keto can be rough when you do it alone. It's not just Amy versus keto. It's Amy versus the fast food cartel.
If we don't increase Amy's fry intake by 20%, we are all fired!
Carb culture is a wicked beast. You can't fight it alone, considering all the kids' old Halloween candy.
Trick or treat!
Carby snacks during the big game.
Hey babe, want a pizza bagel?
No thanks.
Okay.
And your annoying neighbor, Karen, who I'm 90% sure has no other friends.
I brought you my caramel brownies. I made them with love and kisses. I kissed everyone.
You're killing her, Karen. The average American eats 3 pounds of sugar in 1 week. That's 80 watermelons worth of sugar. That's a whole lot of melon. But Team Keto is an online community of expert coaches and nearly 80,000 Team Keto teammates to support you in your goals. And that tips the scale in your favor. Clinical trials show that 95% of people who get fit with friends achieve their weight loss goals.
Look, Mom, I'm floating.
People who work out in groups are also 42% more likely to maintain that weight loss than people who work out alone.
Hey, eyes up here.
But a lot of people don't have that network. I mean, even spouses can be less than supportive.
Unhand me, you brutes!
But thanks to Team Keto, now you do. You can even start with the free 15-day Keto Kickstart Challenge. It includes keto training and coaching, as well as meal plans and recipes. So you can learn how to make all of your favorite foods keto-friendly, so you're not depriving yourself. Plus, we do the math for you, so you don't have to worry about carbs or macros or any of that confusing stuff. And did I mention, Team Keto offers a squad of delicious and all-natural supplements and meal replacements that crush the cravings keto can bring, taste like a guilty pleasure, and train your body to stay in ketosis. These bad boys helped Amy tone up a lot. I mean, it just doesn't quit. The results speak for themselves. Click the link to order your challenge starter pack and get free shipping today. Woohoo! So whether you're new to the keto lifestyle or you've tried it before and failed, Team Keto is perfect for you. Weight loss is a team sport, and Team Keto is here to tip the odds in your favor with great meal plans, trainers like Preston here, workouts, great tasting keto supplements that make it easy, and a huge team of support. They have over 700 5-star reviews, so you know you can trust them. So what are you waiting for? Click the link to order your challenge starter pack today. 100% satisfaction guaranteed.